This a man here black like a Tara. Who him? You sure we can trust him? The Father in heaven tell me say me mustn't trust nothing black. The Lord soon give me a sign, cause in Jamaica you now see them something here every day.
So how you know say me I know the sign where the Lord send?
Jamaican, look here quick.
Right, they will not dead now. How am I stop all of them people there?
O Lord of David, Samuel and Abednego, why have you forsaken us? We're sure to perish tonight because this a man here in a black, green and gold who present himself before us, him can't stop them.
Don't be so negative, have some faith, Reverend.
It is inevitable, Jamaica. This planet has been marked for annihilation. The inhabitants of this planet will be erased from existence. Humanity is not perfect. As such, the construct of their labor.
Melva, look here. A Jamaican up them here taking picture.
Oh, I hear those little shaman.
The fate of their existence is in their hands.
That just might work. Me not give it a run and if we're back as a team, me don't see how they can stop we.
How the brother?
Bounty Price, this is Cindy. A merman from the Hidden Atlantis deep in the Caribbean Sea.
So I'm a one fish.
I am a water spirit.
Yeah. Fish.
Yeah, how soon can we buy this property? First of many to stand against you.